DentalWriter streamlines your sleep apnea, TMJ, and oral surgery cases. Using the DentalWriter easy 4-step process, the patient fills out the DentalWriter questionnaire, which can be done online. The exam data is entered chairside, and from those 2 steps, DentalWriter automatically generates your narrative report and your medical claims. These narrative reports, written in SOAP format, showing the subjective complaints of the patient, the objective exam findings, the assessment, and the plan, can now be sent to insurance companies for reimbursement. The reports are also designed to send to physicians and other providers that your patient has seen. We've had clients call us and tell us that these narrative reports are the best marketing tool for dental sleep medicine and TMD, and couldn't have grown those services the way they did without them. In addition to the narrative reports generated from your questionnaire and exam, another great feature is the library of over 250 quick letters for marketing dental sleep medicine, TMD, and oral wellness, consents, financial documents, referral templates, and insurance appeals. There's a quick letter for your every need. And best of all, they can be customized so that you can begin building your personal quick letter library. DentalWriter is consistently updated with the latest technology to provide maximum efficiency for our clients. Some examples are electronic medical billing, secure e-faxing capabilities, and the DentalWriter private cloud option. For training and support, we pride ourselves on the extensive resources available at your fingertips. We offer daily live training and on-demand training modules. In addition, we offer online study clubs with renowned industry speakers and have an entire library of over 60 hours available anytime to get your practice educated in all aspects of dental sleep medicine, TMD, and medical billing. For close to 30 years, our commitment to supporting our clients has been our biggest priority. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of DentalWriter software and saw how it can benefit your practice. We'd love to be your partner and provide exceptional service to you and your team. So give us a call or visit us online.